Madi. I'm back again. This is Lance Jnr, the founder, I can say the founder of Elite TV. And we are there to show you Zinenges Chitika, especially to young people. We are targeting young people in Zimbabwe. So, target it's agro business. So, yeah, a lot of people, they've been asking, Lance, what was the farmer say? How are you doing it? But what I can tell you is that it's all about it's all about passion, and agriculture. But usango uye usina chidokwa usina that passion inside you, that burning passion, and you're not going to take usina chino. But God will bless you. One of the multi-million dollar companies in Zimbabwe. So Agro Elite ilipo inspire vafana vechidogo iripo futi pakumeka sure kuti the food security of Zimbabwe is guaranteed. So inini Lance Jnr Elite ndadzoka zvakare nemavideo aya handina hangu video editing pane zvikuitika, but ndichange ndichikupai real videos of me asina kueditwa. Saka tirongoti ramai muchisupporta team Takachilla, National University of Science and Technology, Civil Engineering. Vamwe vanhu vanondifunza kuti why wakachuza kuenda kudepartment of irrigation. Okay, I'm a farmer. I'm inspired by the farming, and I'm a civil engineering student as well. So they try by all means to and I'm sure Zukulinga, because I now have knowledge here irrigation. I now know how to do all the irrigation systems that from drip irrigation, from sprinkler system, from center pivot, designer. Just because we know kuti vision yedu yakamira sei. Saka I'm in line with my vision. I'm using my program to move to agro business. Kana one day that's when farm rangu, kana one day that's when my estates angu. I'll be using this knowledge that I'm getting from the Department of Irrigation, because panyaya farming pano good of timfura. And futi tilikoku e-commerce. We are doing e-commerce to producers in Zedu, and we are marketing our things. We are delivering to your doorstep. So I'm going to come and support Agro Elite. And this vision as well is making sure that we make use of e-commerce digital digital. Saka tukumeka sure kuti taita say ta utilize eso so self-fund vechidoko. Saka rambe support Lance Jnr, rambe support Agro Elite. I will make sure that I do my videos and inspire. This is Lance Jnr. Takachilla.